people. Yes, in the beginning we were asking for 12 months. And then back then the ECs didn't respond with positive, this thing. That's the reason why we keep continuing our agitations so far, like almost 3 months now. And then the backlog was 42 months back then, now almost 45 months. So this is the reason why we can accept their 12 months salary offer at the moment. Yeah, there are some employees among us who were, doing a signature campaign to receive 12 months salary, but they are not in majority. The majority is in our side. We're going to keep our agitation longer as long as we didn't receive our demand salaries, like 44 months, in different places where the authorities give the permission to stage the agitation